Now we're gonna learn more about the TypeScript types. The type system represent the different types of values supported by the language. The TypeScript provide data types as a part of its optional type system. You will have the any type. It's a super type of all data types. Let's say you can define is is checked. It's a boolean value, so I can define the any type. You can also set the isCheck value to true because we defined the any type. IsCheck is equals to 0, isCheck is equals to object. If you will define the type any, you can do that in this way. This is how you will any type works. IsCheck ts node index.ts, you will see the value. So this is how the any types work. Any type. So you can also define your own user defined types, include arrays, enums, classes, and interfaces. TypeScript also provide built-in types: number, string, boolean, void, null, and undefined. So let's talk about some numbers. Before learning about numbers, you must familiar with variable. A variable by definition is a named space in the memory. A variable will store the value. In other words, it acts as a container for values in the program. So we defined the variable. So this is the variable. IsDone is also variable. IsCheck is also a variable.